backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple the heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he cries like a word from a bird. Cries like a word from a bird. Out of his mind, the weight pushes him whispering, lost a bit out of his mind.